Whoa.
Wow, babe. You outdid yourself. You made a
A
mess.
little spot.
Yeah.
Made a lot of Greek yogurt sauce today. Welcome, meal preppers. Paul here. Amy behind the camera. She made it just in time from yet another girls' weekend.
No, it happens.
So proud of her. So
Yes.
happy for her as she gets that. Guys, reach out to me. Let me know if we can do like a golf thing or something. But I actually made 4 dishes.
Without my help, y'all.
Without her help. Not really hard dishes. 2 of them are vegetarian dishes, which tend to be a little easier because you don't have to worry about meats, and they're usually 1 skillet dishes that are really easy to make. And then I got 2 meat dishes here. Plus our daughter's in town. She's a vegetarian, so I wanted to help her out there.
Yep.
And so just start over here. We've done dishes like this before with just the chicken, a cold dish. So we got chicken, we got cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, these little mini peppers, cute cheese cubes, and then this time I just made the chicken. Instead of our usual, I did a little I did chili paste and honey. So it's a little sweet and hot right there. And then I love this sauce. I made it before. It is just Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and honey. A little salt and pepper if you like. That's the black
garlic
spots
or
in there.
anything?
No. That's it. And I just love it. It's so good. You get the little lemon, of course, the honey in there, and I thought it would go well with the hot on the chicken, so that should be really good. So just a cold chicken bowl right there. Of course, you can add any veggies that you like on the side. Even Amy was like, you can use hummus.
Yeah, we have some hummus in the fridge, so I might use some of that.
So if you don't want to make a sauce, just put hummus there.
Yep.
So good, easy dish to make right there. And then over here, we got a red hot bison bowl. Amy might not like this.
It'll be fine.
See. It'll be a little hot, but we got bison in here, and I made a red hot Frank sauce using the Frank's red hot. Yeah, sauce. But it does have a little bit of honey in as well. Any sweetener you like, you can use honey or maple syrup. And then you cook that in the pan. Obviously, let it thicken up. And then I sauteed some veggies on the side. We got broccoli, carrots, red pepper. And
there's rice.
Is there rice? Yeah, we did. We got jasmine rice on the bottom, of course, and sesame seeds on top. They were in the bulk food section. Guys, if sesame seeds are in the bulk food section, buy them up. Because if you buy them in a canister, they're so much more expensive. Then over here, we got my veggie dishes for my daughter. We've got just a sauteed cauliflower and edamame bowl. They're actually wraps. So we've got some low carb wraps because we're gonna get plenty of carbs from our veggies. Yeah. And then I made a chipotle sauce here with cilantro, chipotle and adobo sauce, which I feel bad because usually only use like 2 or 3 of those things.
Yeah,
buy the little can
just gets thrown away.
And then it's no use saving them, but that's all right. Makes a great sauce. And then pickled onions. So this will get the sweetness in there. Put this, once this pickled, this is just white vinegar and water with some salt and sugar. Boom, let that sit for about 24 hours in the fridge, and then mix it in here, make your wraps with it all together with the sauce. That's gonna be pretty phenomenal. And then the edamame will get you good protein in there. Didn't know, but edamame has got more protein than chickpeas.
Which brings us to our next dish. Nice segue,
I needed to look that up because I wasn't sure, but we got a little chickpea curry right here over jasmine rice again because jasmine rice.
Yeah, we just have a thing for jasmine rice. I gotta come over here.
It's got this turmeric and paprika sauce, the coconut milk, of course, and then it's got diced tomatoes in there. Let that simmer for a long time, and then just squeeze a little lime juice on top with some cilantro. That's going to be a phenomenal dish. I already know.
You said there was sweet potato. You added some sweet potato.
I did.
Because we had one.
I had it with sweet potato left over, so I roasted it up. And
look at that. It's
put
pretty.
that in there just to get a little bit more veggies and starch in there.
Ooh,
I already
know the colors of the rainbow.
I already know this is going to need some salt over here because I did no salt in that.
You forget salt when you're cooking sometimes.
And usually because you can always add it at the end. We usually have our flake salt, which is over there. The Maldon flake salt, guys.
You hear us talk about it all the time.
I know. Check that out. It is flakes and gets a little crunch, but a lot more genuine salt flavor. That's all I can describe it as. It's just a genuine salt flavor, different than your Morton salt. No.
Yeah, so I hardly use it anymore.
So, and that's it, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's like Amy said, look at all these colors. Get another colorful weekend. Guys, let us know what you love. Again, if you're looking for vegetarian dishes, look in our recipe database. Everything is sorted by chicken, beef, vegetarian, soups, stews, a lot of different things. So look through our database. We got over 120, 40 recipes in there now. We have grown quite a bit this year. But yeah, let us know what you like this weekend and have a great time, guys. Take care. Woo.